Hello, my name is Vincent Adamo, and I will be playing Willy Wonka. Come with me as we explore the 5 ordinary lives of 5 golden winners. As I send out 5 golden tickets, who knows who will get them?
I'm Ethan Woolman.
I'm Hadia Saki.
My name's Clark Atkinson.
My name is Michaela Rosario.
I'm Haley Auburn.
I'm Liberty DeMattias.
I play the role of Charlie Bucket.
I play Veruca Salt.
I'm Grandma Josephine, and it's a comedy role, so I was having a lot of fun with that.
My character is Mrs. Bucket. She is Charlie Bucket's mother. Veruca Salt is a British brat, and she gets everything she wants.
I play Mrs. Gloop.
I'm stage managing / head advice Oompa Loompa.
I love my role because Mrs. Bucket has a very calm demeanor, and I think I'm pretty calm. I actually really like my role because I get to play something a lot different from my actual personality. The show Willy Wonka is about
A guy who really likes chocolate.
he's retiring.
The way that he wants to retire by sending out 5 very special golden tickets.
And he wants someone who really likes chocolate as much as he likes chocolate to help raise his chocolate children.
So he collects a bunch of kids that win these golden tickets and takes them on an adventure through his chocolate factory. The one kid that he does love is Charlie Bucket. He basically wants everyone to see his factory, his world, and his point of view. I just love the concepts of the production. It's a little different from maybe different Willy Wonka productions you would have seen before, and it kind of gives a new perspective to the show. I think that if you want to have a good time and laugh, you should come see this show because it's hilarious and the characters are really funny.
My favorite part about this production is probably like how mystical and like Candyland-ish it is. It's like I'm playing Candyland. You should come see the show because we're working really hard on it, and it's a really good sense of community, and we all love each other.
You should come see Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory because it's very child-friendly. I think the kids will love it. It includes candy, dances, Oompa Loompas.